Today it's Friday, August 15, 2025. Let's make one small update for the C63 with the blower, with the Supercharger here. Everything is going well except the washer reservoir there for the wiper blades and for the headlights. It doesn't fit here anymore. I mean, the owner, he sent us some pictures that it's missing this small container, that this is for the charcoal canister solenoid that goes back. And I don't know how they move it, most probably they make it this way and they fit it somehow. Me, what I said, put the formatic one there in the fender to be everybody happy. I don't want to change the position of this. We have also passed the pipes for the ice tank back. We have how many things here? I mean, if you think that it can fit this one, show us. That's one thing. Second thing, we have a problem with the air boxes and the hose, the couplers. Bring them here. This needs to be trimmed because it's long and it's pushing both air boxes front. All right, that's one thing. Second thing, it needs to be trimmed also the bottom part of the air box because it touches on the Supercharger and we're never gonna go to engage with the pins there inside. It has a big opening. See, that over there needs to go to meet this one. But because it's touching on the Supercharger, it will never gonna go there inside. So, the washer reservoir for the headlights and the windshield, the couplers back need to be trimmed, the airbox down here need to be trimmed. Then we have this piece here from the air duct. All right, this take it from the other C63 that we have here. It doesn't belong to this car. All right, it fits nice. There is no problem. I can put it inside. I can lock it. All right, everything's fine as it's supposed to be. Here, it's been secured in place. All right. The same thing also here. I put the pipe. I put the cable here for the bonnet, for the latch. Okay, in place, locked. Now let's remove it again. By the way, I said before that we're gonna have a headache with this pipe. No, we're not gonna have a headache because they provide a long pipe to reroute it from this side and meets this one. So everybody happy there. Now let me remove this to show you how it came the car here. What trim had here front, what air duct, and to see where is the problem number 4. Did you face any other problem other than this, Mr. Joe? No. All right. Push it down in front. There you go. All right, take this out. The car came with this one, with a carbon fiber one. And you see that we washed it even. Now, what's the problem? If you try to put this inside, it's touching to the cooler. That means if you want to use this one, you have to trim the carbon fiber to give a clearance for the cooler. Otherwise, it's touching the cooler. You're never gonna enter inside. Fine. I mean, we remove even this bracket, the plastic bracket here, without completely this bracket to go in, but it's touching to the heat exchanger, to the cooler. All right, please put this back again, so don't scratch it. Put back over there with his parts. Except of this, even if we fix the air boxes, the couplers or whatever, we have also the ice tank, it's done back, just only some wiring is remaining. There is another problem, we cannot start the car because we need a file for these injectors. If you don't flash the tune for these injectors, it will not gonna start the car. All right. Something else? Nothing. Omar had before green coolant. You keep the coolant that you remove? Okay. Ask the customer. He wants again to put the green coolant inside, or he wants to put the blue one or the new one. Up to him. All right. And for the ice tank, he wants to use distilled water because he's planning to use. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Leave it. It's fine. He wants to use distilled water because it has better conductivity and has much better heat transfer than if you put a coolant. And since you're gonna use an ice inside, you're gonna put a distilled water, I guess, with something like 5-10% of coolant, just a little bit to have inside. I don't know. This on the customer. The customer, he will gonna decide what he's gonna do. We have also from the Motul, the small one, the bottle, right?
Yeah, we have it.
Okay, ask him what he wants from that. Now, this is the things the problems that we have, and we need to talk to the customer to tell us what are we gonna do with their boxes. We need to trim this plastic piece to fit inside. For the carbon fiber one, we are not trimming these kind of things. Yeah. And for the washer reservoir, like I said, yeah, I covered everything. Do we have something more than this? Nothing? We are missing also the springs on the bonnet, from what I see over there. Fine, fine. That's the status. Now, when we finish from everything, and it comes the time to start it, and has the file and all these things, you're gonna see the first start after the operation. That's it for now. Small video, 6 minutes, yeah, all right. Mr. Joe, you want to add something?
No, sir.
Omar?
No.
No? Jimmy? Nothing? All good? All good, fine. Thank you very much. Over and out.